Sardinia, the second-largest island in the Mediterranean, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and culinary delights waiting to be explored by the discerning traveler. Nestled off the western coast of Italy, this enchanting island boasts a diverse range of activities and attractions that cater to every traveler's desires. One of the most striking features of Sardinia is its coastline, which stretches for over 1,800 kilometers and encompasses pristine beaches with crystal-clear waters. Visitors can bask in the sun on famous shores like the Costa Smeralda, with its glamorous atmosphere, or discover secluded coves and hidden bays for a more tranquil experience. Water sports enthusiasts will revel in the opportunities for snorkeling, scuba diving, windsurfing, and sailing in these inviting waters. Sardinia's rugged interior is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The island is home to numerous hiking trails, including the challenging Selvaggio Blu, which offers breathtaking views of dramatic cliffs and dense forests. The Gennargentu National Park, with its soaring peaks and deep gorges, beckons adventurers to explore its wild terrain. Horseback riding and mountain biking are other fantastic ways to immerse oneself in the island's untamed beauty. History buffs will find Sardinia's rich past utterly captivating. The island was once inhabited by the enigmatic Nuragic civilization, leaving behind thousands of stone towers known as Nuragics that still stand as ancient sentinels. Explore archaeological sites such as the Su Nuraxi di Baramini, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to unlock the mysteries of these prehistoric people. Sardinia's Phoenician, Roman, and medieval history can be experienced through its well-preserved ruins, fortresses, and charming old towns like Alghero and Cagliari. Sardinian cuisine is a journey in itself. Savor traditional dishes like the hearty lamb stew known as culurgens, or porcedu, succulent roasted piglet, while sipping on the island's famous Canina wine. For cheese aficionados, the local pecorino cheese, especially the aged varieties, is a must-try. Don't forget to sample the traditional bread, pane carousel, and the aromatic myrtle liqueur that graces many Sardinian tables. Cultural festivals and events are an integral part of Sardinian life. Witness the colorful costumes and vibrant parades of Sardinia's carnival celebrations, or attend the traditional horse races, known as the Ardea, that take place in various towns throughout the year. These events provide a glimpse into the island's lively traditions and passionate spirit. Sardinia's allure extends below the surface as well. The island boasts numerous grottos and caves, such as the Grotta di Nettuno, accessible by boat or a breathtakingly steep stairway carved into the cliffs. These underground wonders reveal awe-inspiring stalactites and stalagmites formations, creating a surreal and mystical atmosphere. Sardinia is a multifaceted destination that offers an abundance of experiences for travelers seeking natural beauty, history, culture, and culinary delights. Its diverse landscapes, captivating history, and warm, welcoming people make it an unforgettable destination that leaves an indelible mark on all who visit. Whether you're lounging on its stunning beaches, hiking through its wild interior, or savoring its delectable cuisine, Sardinia promises a journey of discovery and adventure.